Coming up next on VTV News. Rising demand for qualified nurses and midwives in Vietnam. Nurses and midwives are considered as the backbone of a healthcare system as they directly take care of patients. According to Resolution number 20 of the Party's Central Committee, by 2025, Vietnam must reach a rate of 25 nurses over 10,000 people. However, the country's current rate is only 11.5. Therefore, the demand for qualified nurses and midwives will be high in the near future.
The National Hospital of Obstetrics and Gynecology is among the top hospitals when it comes to obstetrics. It currently employs nearly 800 nurses and midwives.
In fact, about 80% of all hospital work is done by nurses and midwives. They can even develop techniques that are compatible with each patient and situation. If we want to expand the scale of the hospital, we need a strong force of nurses and midwives. In our hospital, the demand for university-level midwives is extremely high.
Currently, the level of nursing in Vietnam is not on par with ASEAN standards, which requires nurses to be trained at a college level or higher.
About half of Vietnam nursing human resources receive 2-year training at technical schools and is usually considered as lower than the minimum standards of the World Health Organization. So we need to not only increase the number of nurses and midwives, but also improve their quality and skills.
Nam Dinh University of Nursing is currently the first university in Vietnam that specializes in training nurses and midwives at university, master's and PhD levels. 95% of its graduates can earn a job in their major.
The demand for nursing human resources in Vietnam and the global healthcare system is enormous. Statistics show that European countries like Germany lack more than 60,000 nurses. Japan also lacks tens of thousands of nurses. So I think that the prospect of this industry will be much greater.
2020 was designated by the World Health Organization to be the International Year of the Nurse and the Midwife to honor those white-shirt soldiers. With the increase in the demand for healthcare, focusing on nursing education will be the right move to make in the time to come.